There are so many how-to videos on YouTube, but who has the time to watch a 30-minute video about a simple task such as making a TikTok video from a Twitch clip? Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy method using Canva Pro, and we're going to leave out all the useless nonsense other creators put in their videos. Let's go ahead and get started. First things first, and probably the most obvious, is you need some clips from Twitch. So if you're not streaming from Twitch and don't have clips, this video is not going to do you any good. You're going to click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner, and you're going to click on Video Producer. You're going to go down on the left side and click on Clips, and you're going to find a clip of your channel. And once you click on it, you'll have a share option, and in that share option, you'll have a download. So go ahead and download that clip. Then you're going to go over to canva.com. Go ahead and create an account. It is free, but again, we are using Canva Pro, which is the paid version, and you're going to search for TikTok video. Go ahead and click on that and open it up, and it's going to give you tons and tons and tons of templates to make amazing TikTok videos. But today we're just going to create a blank. Once you've clicked create a blank, you're going to come to this page. It's going to give you some templates on the left side that you could use for video, or you can just stick with the blank page. So what you do is come over to uploads, and you'll drag and drop your video. Once you've drug your video over and it's uploaded, you're going to go ahead and click on it. It's going to bring it in, and it'll start playing for you. Now obviously it's the wrong format. So what are we going to do about that? The easiest way is to right click on it and set video as background. And it automatically sets for you. That's your basic TikTok. Now obviously we want something just a little bit more than this format. So we're going to show you how to edit it down real quick, and maybe put your face cam on there. So first of all, we're going to take the very first portion of this clip because it is the funniest portion, and that's going to be our TikTok. So we're going to go ahead and let it play through. Yeah, use your kick muscle. And we'll use about that much of it. So we'll right click on the timeline, split page, and delete the rest of it. And we want to go ahead and zoom in. That way we have more control over the timeline, and we probably want to crop it just a little bit. So go ahead and click on it, and up top you're going to see crop, and we're going to move it over just a little bit here. And we'll click done. Go back to the beginning of the timeline and play to check our work. Now, that's a 6.8 second clip, usually pretty good for a TikTok video. But we want to add our face in there. So we'll go ahead and click on the video again. It's going to add another and extend the frame. So we're going to click on that video, and we're going to edit it down by dragging from the right side until it's 6.8 seconds. Yeah, use your kick muscle. And we'll pause it. Let's reset the beginning of the timeline and click play. Yeah, use your kick muscle. And you will see that they are synced up. So what we want to do is just crop out our face cam. So we want to drag it up and make sure that we can see our face cam, and we're going to crop. And then hit done. And we can drag it wherever we like. Now in this case, some of the action is at the top of the screen and some of the action is at the bottom. So let's size it and put it in about the middle of the screen. Scroll back to the beginning and click play to check our work again. Yeah, use your kick muscle. Now in some cases, we might want to add some text to our video. So we want to break it up. Yeah, use your kick muscle. Oh, I did forget one thing. We want to mute one of these clips so that we don't get an echo. So we'll click on the actual face cam clip, go up here to your volume, turn it all the way down, and now we won't have an echo. Let's check our work again. Yeah, use your kick muscle. All right, so now let's add some text. Yeah, use your kick muscle. So you find the text spot right where your text ends and go ahead and split the page. This first portion is going to be our use your kick muscle. Yeah, use your kick muscle. So we're going to add some text. We're going to size it. We're going to use it as a quote. Use your kick muscle. Let's put it up here. Let's color it so it makes sense. We'll just do red so it stands out. We're going to give it an animate so it pops in. And that's both. So it's going to pop in and pop out once this frame ends. Yeah, use your kick muscle. Now we have an explosion. We want to catch a graphic with that explosion. So we're going to split there. The second clip is going to be our explosion. You can go over here to elements and let's search for boom. There's an animated boom. Let's use that one. We're going to drop it in here so that it covers the entire screen. And we're laughing a little bit, so let's catch a laugh in there too. We're going to edit a little bit more off the end of the video. We'll delete that. Let's see if we have a good graphic for haha. There's one. Size it, position it. Let's give it an animate. I always like the pop animation because it pops in and pops out. Go back to the beginning and let's check our work. Yeah, use your kick muscle. And there you have a TikTok. Click on share, click download, make sure it's MP4 video, and click download. Once it downloads and saves, then you're going to upload to TikTok and you're ready to go. If you have any other ideas in the future for quick tutorials that you would like me to do, please let me know down in the comments below. Please make sure that you give the video a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.